Hey guys, today, if you don't know us, we're the Dynamite Duo. If you like this video, like. If you don't, it's fine, just dislike. Please subscribe, because this is only our first video on this channel. So I hope y'all like it. It's gonna be a Nerf war. Me versus him.
I'm gonna win. I'm always better than him.
Okay, we're gonna get started in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Ah! What?
Hi boys, I'm J.R. Morse, and that's Hudson Moore. I'm John Ryan Morse, that's Hudson Morse. He's my brother, and I'm about to kick his butt. Alright, here you go to start off. The Dominant Duo. The Dominant Duo series of YouTube. We start dominating every foe that we see. 3, 2, we're about to flip. Go. Alright. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, we're kicking off. 3, 2, 1. Where's he at, guys? Where is he at? Y'all can hear that, right? Okay. He's reloading. Hi, bullet. Whoa! Alright. Whoa! I'm up. I'm up this one, guys. I'm up with my X-shot pistol. 4-shot X-shot pistol. Alright. As you guys can see, right here, X-shot. Wait, there he is. Oh! Curveball! Hey, Margaret. Whoa! Shot left. Hey Margaret, what's up? He's over there. Alright guys, we're gonna find out what that nerd is.
Hey John!
No, Margaret, get down! Ow! Whoa! Missed. Alright, you need to go give me some more ammo, okay? Big dots, okay? Big red dots. Go. Whoa! Hey, you cannot. Hey, you gotta stay in your base. Come right here.
I'm trying to get my ammo. I'm trying to get ammo. Here's some.
Here, hi.
Hey, that's too much.
Hi, too.
I need my ammo.
Margaret, can you find more like these? Alright, no, this is our last round.
Let me get my ammo, guys, then we're gonna get started.
Guys, if we end off with a tie, I don't know what we're gonna do. We might just come downstairs and attack the parents, just to make this a little bit more fun. They mark it. Alright, Dad. We kick it off. I'll have to have my pistol on this one. 3-shot. Gonna make it count. Wait. Okay. Time. Alright. Kick off. Go.
I'm still putting in my bullets.
Great. Costing a little bit of time right now, but.
Okay, I'm good.
Alright.
I'm cocking everything. Okay, good.
Alright. Let's go. I hit you?
Nope. I hit the iPad.
Miss?
Nah.
Gotta get a good aim on him. No. Guys, we're down to our last shot. Alright, we gotta make this count. Down to our last shot. Guys, we need to let him be. Shoot. Just gonna let him keep shooting until he's down to his last bullet. And we're gonna fire at him. Play this smart.
I'm out of bullets.
Big rush. Go. Yeah, I'm out of bullets too. Oh!
I got him. You're Dad. I got you first.
No,
Yes.
no.
Yes. When I shot you, then you shot me right in the arm. I won.
Wait. Apparently there's been a misunderstanding.
Well, I was in my base the whole time.
I guess had some on this round, but I'll get them next time, boys, you know.
We're gonna go attack our parents now.
Yeah.
Well,
And
y'all
we're
can come
gonna
and
bring...
watch us. Y'all can come and watch us.
Yeah, I'm about to go kick our parents' butt, because
I want to get
a
the
lot of
purple
reasons.
gun.
Margaret, let me see it.
I want to get the purple gun. I don't have a gun.
Well, I won that round.
I get you next time, but I'm gonna get you next time. 2 blows for 2 parents.
Mom, Jen, I don't have a gun.
Gosh, stop tearing up this wood.
2 bullets for 2 parents.
Alright, guys, let's
I
go.
don't have a gun.
Hey, Margaret, gun.
I don't have a gun. But I don't have my ammo.
Alright, get some ammo.
Mark, there's
Let's
ammo
go.
right there.
Ammo.
Oh, Mark, not that one. Mark, not that one.
Alright, guys, let's go.
That little one. Put it in that hole. No.
How does it all blur?
Put it in the.
Blurry.
Yeah, put it in that one now. Cock it. Cock it.
Okay, there we go. Back on track.
You're gonna shoot mine.
Alright, guys. I know this is a very long video, but I'm sorry about this. You know, I lost on sales going on. Doesn't work out sometimes. Alright, shh. Let's go. Alright, 2, go.
Oh.
Get him! Ah! Get him! It's your revenge, Dad! Ah! Ah! Where's that big buffoon? Run! Ah! Ah! Guys, we did it. We got away with it. Alright, guys, we're going to end the video here.